More Samsung Galaxy S9 dates emerge as we get closer to a possible event date. The Vivo fingerprint scanner phone finally gears up to becoming official, and OnePlus seems to be having trouble getting payments lately. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I'm still in New Orleans because the weather has become so crazy that I haven't been able to fly out. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today finally begin with deals. If you're in the market for the Google Pixel 2 or Pixel 2 XL, probably some of our favorite phones of 2017. Currently, the Pixel 2 is $200 off on Best Buy, and then $250 off for the Pixel 2 XL as well. If you're asking what the catch is, well, these are the Verizon variants and you have to get them on installments. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about OnePlus. For those of you that have been having trouble trying to buy your OnePlus 5T, which is another product that we recommend you buy, it seems the company has been dealing with some issues with fraudulent charges, up to the point where the company has decided to better yet stall what's going on and allow users to only be able to buy phones on PayPal. So this is a cool precaution that the company's taken. Just stay tuned as we will cover more information as soon as everything gets fixed. Let's move the spotlight over to Sony. We have been waiting for a Sony Xperia flagship. The company didn't really deliver in the last couple of years, and now that we've seen what they can do as of CES 2018, we hear that there is an XZ Pro smartphone, and whoever comes up with these names. But still, the most important part is that apparently this flagship phone will bring a 4K display that's OLED, and apparently some other really good specifications to the camera. Stay tuned. Now, for those of you that have a pencil and paper, write this down. Vivo X20 Plus UD. Apparently that phone that we saw at CES with the fingerprint scanner from Synaptics in the display, that is going to be the final name, which I already forgot. I'm gonna have to practice it again, but yeah, apparently that's gonna be the final name. The phone is already in certification at TINA, so it's only a matter of time before the phone launches. The only problem is we hear that it's only going to launch in China, so hopefully this technology makes it to other phones made by other companies that work in the same factory. Oppo, OnePlus, yes, thank you. And finally, the very hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. We've been dealing with specs and other important information, but for those of you that are wondering the dates, get this, 26th of February for the possible event date, which is pretty much the first day of MWC in Barcelona, makes sense. Then pre-orders apparently will begin on March 1st, and you can get your phone as soon as March 16. Now bear in mind, launch timeframes for Samsung Galaxies have usually been around April. I think this is probably like the earliest that a Galaxy has ever been launched, which is great, but it leads me to the question today. I mean, are you going to gear up and wait for that Galaxy S9, or are you looking to any other phones that have currently been launched? In my case, I can't wait to see what the Galaxy S9 Plus is going to be like with those dual cameras, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our full CES 2018 playlist down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.